4.1 in our last lecture, and I've introduced the comparison of ratios, in which we have seen if we are having a 2 ratio A by B and C by D, then how to compare the two ratios? How can I say that A by B is greater than C by D or C by D is greater than A by B? What we need to do is we have to just take a cross multiplication of this. That is, A means take this D to that side and multiply with A. So A into D, find the value of A into D, take B to right hand side, in the sense multiplied with C, that is C into B. If AD is greater than BC or CB, then we can conclude that, or this implies A by B is greater than C by D. This I have explained in last class also. Again, I'm revising it as we are going to proceed with the problems. So this is a like basic understanding. If you understand this, you will be easily able to solve the whole practice set, that is 4.2. Similarly, if AD is less than CB or BC, we can say that A by B is less than C by D. According to this sign, if AD is less than, we can conclude A by B. This term indicates first ratio, this term indicates second ratio. Because as if we know that ratio and proportion means the terms that we take, they are in proportion in upon form. Means they are having some common multiple because of that. Also, if AD is equal to BC, if we get AD equal to BC, then we can conclude that A by B is equal to C by D. So now, with the help of this three condition, or you can say rules, we can solve our practice set 4.2. And also we have done in our first lecture that whenever we multiply or divide the given ratio with a non-zero number, then it remains same. Means k is nothing but a common multiple. Either you divide it or you multiply it as per the given condition. You will get the same answer. Okay, so let's start with the examples. Let's take first solved example, that is compare the ratios 4 by 9 on 7 by 8. They're having two ratios. They're asking what is a relation between these two. Either 4 by 9 is greater than 7 by 8, or 4 by 9 is less than 7 by 8, or 4 by 9 is equal to 7 by 8. It is still unknown. So how to conclude this? Just take a cross multiplication. That is, take 8 to that side and 9 to the multiply 8 to 4 and 9 to 7. So that 4 into 8 and 7 into 9. So from here, 8 fours are 32, 7 nines are 63. So we can see that it is a very obvious case that 63 is greater than 32. So therefore, from here we conclude 4 by 9 is less than 7 by 8. Hope this problem you have understood. Now we'll proceed to next example, in which we'll be having roots. So whenever root comes into existence, we should know all the properties of certs. We have done certs earlier before, it's at the start of your ninth standard. But let me introduce that. Root of a into root of b is equal to root of a into b, and this is same as root of ab, means the same. Whenever we are having root of a into root of b, this is nothing but is equal to root of a into b. Also, root of a square. So we cancel square and root. How is it possible actually? If we are having root, means we are having half in the power. So this can be written as a square raised to half. 2 gets cancelled. What remains? A raised to 1, which is nothing but a. We should remember this as well. So by using this, we'll be solving the next example. Say we are having a ratio root of 13 is to root of 8, root of 7 upon root of 5. We need to compare which of the ratio is greater, less, or equal to. So what we need to do is the relation between them is unknown. Means who is greater, who is lesser, or whether they are equal. So start. Just take again a cross multiplication. Root of 13 into root of 5, and here root of 7 into root of 8. So therefore, we know that still it is unknown. So root of 13 into root of 5 is nothing but root of 13 into 5 together, since the root is same. If we are having square root and cube root, we cannot take them together, not possible. For that, the order of the root should be same in order to take the product of numbers within one root. So 7 8s are 56, and we can write first 7 into 8. So here root of 13 by 5 are 65, root of 56. From here it's very easy to calculate who is greater. Root of 65 is obviously greater than root of 56. So from here we conclude that root of 13 upon root of 8 is greater than root of 7 upon root of 5. Done. So this was a bit basic using the given relation. So we have used the property of comparison of ratios to understand how to compare the two given ratios. I will start with practice set 4.2. Yeah, so before starting with the topic, just want to introduce that what is there and what is being omitted according to the revised syllabus. Page number 63 full we have to solve, that is practice set 4.2, and on page number 64 whatever is being there in practice set 4.2, that is all being omitted. That is question number 4th, 3rd, 4th, 5th is being omitted. Question number 5 is being omitted. Question number 6 is being omitted. Question number 7 is being omitted. So we have to just solve all the problem which is on page number 63. So without wasting any time, let's start with the exercise. Exercise in the sense practice set 4.2. Okay. So let's see what is given and what they are asking. Using the property A by B is equal to AK by BK, fill in the blanks substituting the proper numbers in the following. So this is very easy, as one ratio is given and other ratio is given in the form of blanks. So just we need to fill it by using our logic. If we are good in our tables, so we can easily solve it without any problem. So first problem is 5 by 7 is equal to, we are having blanks, divided by 28 is equal to 35 divided by blanks is equal to blanks divided by 3.5. So as per our understanding, we can see that this blank is to be filled, and we know that if two ratios are equal means they are having some common multiple. I can write this as, so consider solution. First part, that is consider 5 by 7 is equal to, we can write 28 as 7 into 4. As we know that we are having 7 in denominator, we have multiplied 7 to 4. So similarly, we have to multiply 4 in numerator with the given number in numerator. Hope you understood this. We have written 28 as 7 into 4. 7 was same what we have multiplied by using the property. Which property? We are having A by B, and write A by B as it is into K upon K. So you can see that here our K is 4. Multiplying and dividing with the same number. 5 by 7 remains same. So 5 fours are 20 divided by 28. This is the answer. This term. Similarly, we'll move to 5 by 7 is equal to 35 upon dash. Again, by using the same property, how we can write this? We can write this as, therefore, 5 by 7 is equal to, how can we split this 35 in terms of 5? 5 into 7 upon 7. Again, we are having 5 by 7, 5 by 7. This remains same. So our k is acting as 7. So by this property, that is, the ratio remains unchanged if it is multiplied and divided by the same non-zero number, say k. So we are multiplying and dividing by 7. So we got 35 divided by 7 into 7 is 49. This is our answer. Hope you have understood this. Now, third blanks. We'll move to that. Hope you have completed first part. Let me rub that. Five by 7 is equal to divided by 3.5. So which number should be multiplied to 7 so that we get 3.5? We know that 7 5s are is 35, but we are having the one decimal, means one digit after decimal. So 5 by 7 is equal to 5 into, we don't know right now what is to be multiplied, but we know here that when 7 is multiplied to 0.5, if you want, you can check. When 7 multiplied to 0.5, you get 3.5. So as we have multiplied 0.5 in denominator, same is to be multiplied in numerator. 0.5 means what? Half. Half of 7 is 3.5. So half of 5 is 2.5. Or else you can multiply 5 into 0.5 is 2.5, or you can say 5 into 5 is 25, and taking one digit after decimal, so 2.5 you will get, like 25 and one digit after decimal, so 2.5. So this was 3.5, and in blanks you got 2.5. So this is our answer. So I've completed first problem of question number 1. As we are having only 2 problems, you can try second problem. Homework for you. Hope you have completed homework and you're not having any doubt in the earlier exercise. So let's move to question number 2. What question number 2 says? Find the following ratios. Okay. So here also we are having 4 problems. I'll be solving any 2 for you so that you'll be getting a better understanding. We are going to give you efforts. You'll be having more and more understanding, and you will be able to deal with any type of problem which is based on ratio and proportion. So let's start. Question number 2, first one. What they are asking, find the ratio of radius to circumference of the circle. So radius to circumference of what circle? As they have not given radius, they have not given circumference. So you can use the notation, let r be the radius, let r be the radius. So therefore circumference is equal to, we know the formula. What is the circumference? Circumference is given by 2 pi r. Okay. So now we got, as we have denoted radius by r. So according to the formula of circumference, we got 2 pi r. So now what they're asking ratio of radius to circumference. So radius upon circumference is equal to, radius is r divided by circumference 2 pi r. As you can see that r is the same term present in numerator and denominator. R gets cancelled. What remains? 1 upon 2 pi. So this is nothing but 1 is to 2 pi. Done. This is our answer for question number 2 first. Now let's move to next problem. I'll be solving fourth for you. Question number 2, fourth. What is given? You are very much familiar with rectangle. In rectangle, is all sides are equal? No. Yeah, not all sides are equal. So what is the property? Two sides are equal, means opposite sides are equal. So in rectangle we have length and we have breadth. So they have given us two sides, means one is length and one is breadth. And we always normally take length to be greater than breadth. So the length of sides of rectangle are 5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. So from here we will conclude, or we will denote 5 centimeter to be length and breadth to be 3.5 centimeter, because of our common understanding. Find the ratio of its parameter to area. What is the formula for parameter of rectangle? Parameter of rectangle is given by 2 into length plus breadth. Yes, correct. 2 into length plus breadth. And area is given by L into B. That is length into breadth. So let's start solving this problem. Question number 2, fourth, second, and third. This is homework for you. You can try it by yourself. It's very easy. Circumference of a circle, ratio of circumference of a circle with radius to its area, with radius r to its area, and circumference upon area. And third is ratio of diagonal of a square to its side. All sides of a square is same. Just you need to find the diagonal by using Pythagoras. You will get the answer. And fourth, I'm solving fourth for you. Question number 2. Solution 4. Let small l and small b be the length and breadth of the rectangle respectively. Okay, so we got the notation L to be length and B to be breadth. So therefore, according to given condition, I got L to be 5 centimeter and B to be 3.5 centimeter. What they're asking to find ratio of perimeter to area. To find ratio of perimeter to area. So first we will find perimeter, then we'll find area, and then we will divide perimeter by area. Perimeter is given by perimeter of any rectangle. Perimeter of any rectangle is given by 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into 5 plus 3.5. So 2 into 8.5. 2 into 8.5 is equal to 17 centimeter. Yeah, any doubt? Hope you don't have any doubt. Now, area is equal to length into breadth. Length is 5 into 3.5 centimeter. After multiplying, as we know that 5 into 3.5 is 17.5. You can check. So it is 17.5 centimeter. So remaining part you can solve it by yourself. So ratio will be of the type 17 upon 17.5, which is very done. We'll move to next problem. That is question number 3. Now, as we have solved the problem of this type today earlier, what is that? Where we need to compare the given two ratios, whether they are greater than or they are less than or they are equal to. So let's start with question number 3, first problem. Question number 3, first one. Root 5 upon 3, comma, 3 upon root 7. We need to compare this. Solution. As we don't know the relation between the two ratios, root 5 upon 3, question mark, 3 upon root 7. So we need to find the relation between them. What we need to do is, we normally do a cross multiplication. So take root 5 into root 7. We don't know the relation, just put question mark. 3 into 3. So this is nothing but 5, root of 5 into 7, question mark, this is 9. Root of 35 and here 9. Now we know that this is obviously less than 9. Why? Because since, give the reason, since root of 36, which is greater than root 5, which is greater than root of 35 is 6, and 6 is obviously less than 9. So root of 35 is less than root of 36. So root of 35 is less than 6 means if any number which is less than 6 is obviously will be less than 9. So from here we conclude that root of 35 is less than 9. Done. So first problem is done. Now we'll move to next problem. That is, I should solve this problem also again. We'll solve second one also because we are having number multiplied to root, which will help you in understanding, and then I will be solving 4 for you. Remaining you can solve it by yourself. Keep on writing whatever I am writing so that things will become easier when you complete your homework. If you just see the lecture and you don't write anything, note or something very important that you are getting from the lecture, and you won't be able to solve the problem. So you will get confused or you will do some wrong step. So better you keep on noting the important steps or just write the solution, whatever I'm writing with reasons. Question number 3, second one. What they have given, 3 root 5 divided by 5 root 7, comma, root of 63 divided by root of 125. Yeah, again, what we need to do, we need to do the same steps. As we don't know the relation, so just write 3 root 5 divided by 5 root 7. Relation between the two ratios is unknown to us. What we will do, we will take a cross multiplication. So 3 root 5 into root of 125, question mark, 5 root 7 into root of 63. So 3 root of 5 into 125 is 625. Very obvious case. 5 into 7 into 63. Yeah, please calculate and tell me. 63 into 7 is 441. Hope you got this answer. So therefore, 3 root of 625, and here we are having 5 root of 441. So as we know, the square root of 625, this can be written as 3 into root of 25 into root of 25 into 25 is 25 square. I've given the property that is root of a into a. Answer is a. Apply the same property here. 5 into root of 441 is nothing but 21 into 21. So square of 21 is 441. So from here, we got it as 3 into 25, 5 into 21. Multiply 3 into 25 is 75, and 5 into 21 is 105. Which one is greater? 105 is greater. So from here, we conclude that, therefore, just you need to write here 3 root 5 upon 5 root 7 is less than root of 6 upon root of 125. So we have completed this. I will discuss one thing regarding the problem that we have done in question number 2. As if I can see, it is a perimeter to area. So unit of perimeter is in centimeters, and the unit of area is centimeter square. So until unless the unit is same, we can't get the ratio. So here we need to work out again. I'll be discussing it in our next class. That is whenever we are going to have our next class. Till then, it is other type question mark problem. We need to change it. Okay. So we have done question number 3, second one. Now we'll move to question number 3, fourth sub question. What is given? They have given root of 80 upon root of 48, comma root of 45 upon root of 27. Yeah, what is to be done? Just as we don't know the relation, just take the multiplication. After taking cross multiplication, just take the multiplication. We will get the answer. We can see that as we don't know the relation, just put a question mark, and after that, root of 80 into root of 27, question mark, root of 45 into root of 48. After multiplying 80 to 27, what do you get? You get root of 2160, and here also you get 2160. So we can see that both are equal, and hence we conclude that root of 80 upon root of 48 is equal to root of 45 upon root of 27. Done. So question number third, fourth part is also done. Now we'll move to word problems. Word problems for the ratio and proportions are very interesting, based on real life example. So it gives us, or it develops interest in this type of problem. So let's start. Question number 4 fast. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Hope everyone knows the parallelogram. Full stop. The ratio of angle A and angle B of this parallelogram is 5:4. Find measure of angle B. So in order to solve this problem, we should know about parallelogram. Uh, since their adjacent angles are given in the ratio. So what do you know about adjacent angles of a parallelogram? Yes? Any one of you? Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Supplementary means addition of two angles is 180 degree. Okay. Just take or draw a rough diagram. Question number 4 first. We're having a parallelogram. Say A, B, C, D. Angle adjacent to A is B and D. Angle adjacent to B is A and C. Since the relation between or the ratio of A and B is given, we'll be treating A and B to be adjacent as per requirement. So given quadrilateral A, B, C, D is the parallelogram, and angle A and angle B are in ratio 5:4. Are in the ratio 5:4. Since as if we have done this type of a problem, whenever we have the ratio of any two entities, we just take their common multiple and we proceed. Same thing is to be done here. What they're asking us to find angle B. Okay. Let the common multiple. Let the common multiple be x. So therefore, measure of angle A will be 5x and measure of angle B is equal to 4x. We know that adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So therefore, since A and B are adjacent, we can see the measure angle A plus measure angle B is equal to 180 degree. So therefore, as if we know their measures, 5x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. So therefore, 5x plus 4x is 9x equal to 180 degree. So therefore, x is equal to 180 degree divided by 9. Just cancel them. What you will get? We will get value of x is 20 degree. So at last, just multiply measure angle. A is given to be 5x. So you'll be getting measure angle A as 100 and measure angle B as 4 into 20 is 80. But they have asked us to find the measure angle B only. So measure angle B is equal to 4 into x, which is 4 into value of x is 20 degree, 80 degree. We are through. So we have completed the question number 4 first problem. Yeah, we'll solve second also, no problem. Since it's a word problem, I'll be helping you in this. The ratio of present ages of Albert and Salim is 5:9. Okay, so take the common multiple. You'll be through like 5x, 9x. 5 years hence, after 5 years, ratio of their ages will be 3:5. So we can solve it easily. Let's start. Only thing that just recognize, just read the problem properly. Recognize what is to be taken, addition, subtraction, how it is to be executed, what is to be written, what is to be taken as a common multiple, whether common multiple is applicable, if any condition is there, you apply that, and accordingly you will be through. Let solution question number 4. Second, let the common multiple be x. Let the common multiple be x. Given that given that ratio of present ages of Albert and Salim is 5:9. So therefore, present present age of Albert is equal to 5x, and present age of Salim is equal to 9x. As because of ratio, first value or first ratio, this is the ratio out of which first term goes to the first name, that is Albert, and second number goes to the second person, that is Salim. This is accordingly. You can say it is respective. So present age of Albert is 5x, present age of Salim is 9x. So therefore, according to given condition, what they are saying, according to given condition, five x plus 5 upon 9x plus 5. After 5 years, the ages will be in the ratio 3:5. So 3/5. Okay. Hope you understood this. After this, just take a cross multiplication. What you will get? 5 into 5x plus 5 is equal to 3 into 9x plus 5. Just open the bracket. What you will get? 5 5s are 25x plus 25 is equal to 3 9s are 27x plus 15. Now taking the terms of x together and constant term together, therefore 25 minus 15 is equal to 27x minus 25x. So therefore 25 minus 15 is 10 is equal to 27 minus 25 is 2x. That is x is equal to 10 upon 2, which is 5. So we got the value of common multiple, that is 5. So we can use it. So therefore, the present age of Albert is 5x, which is 5 into 5 is 25. And the present age of Salim is 9x. So 9 into 5, which is 45. Done. So we have completed practice set 4.2. Hope it was very easy. In this, we have learned how to compare the two ratios, how to use the common multiples. Common multiples means in numerator as well as denominator. So now, if we're going to get any type of a problem based on this, we'll be able to solve it easily. Now we'll move to operations on equal ratios. Operations on equal ratios. So it is a property which is based on if A, B, C, D means we are having two ratios, that is A by B, and second ratio is C by D, and they are positive integers. Then we can apply the following properties. Properties of the type either invertendo, alternando, componendo, dividendo. Yeah, wait. We'll discuss it step by step. So first property we'll discuss uh, as the invertendo. Invertendo is nothing but it helps us to just reverse the given ratio. Invert. Inverting means reversing. So invert tendo. So we have E here, invertendo. If A by B is equal to C by D, they're having this. A by B is equal to C by D. Then if we say by the property of invertendo, means what we are doing, we are writing it as B by A is equal to D by C. What happened here? Things get reversed. At the position of A, I got B. At the position of C, I got D. This here I was having A by B. Here I'm having B by A. Here I was having C by D, and here I'm having D by C. Here in the sense after applying invertendo. Okay. Next is alternando. Problems based on this we'll be doing tomorrow. So just try this today with your understanding. Once you understood, you are revised, so it will be easier for you to just recollect and execute the problem tomorrow. Tomorrow means in the next lecture. So alternando, if A by B is equal to C by D, then what alternando says? Alternando says alternate. Alternate means these two parts. It get exchange, other remains same. That is A by C will be equal to B by D. This is the property which is to be applied on the given two ratios if they are equal, get converted to this form. This from A by B equal to C by D to A by C equal to B by D. Hope even this step is clear. Well, now we'll move to next property, that is componendo. If A by B equal to C by D, we are having two ratios, both are equal, Then if we are applying componendo on it, componendo says just adding the denominator to numerator and denominator remains same. There will be only change in numerator. That is, denominator will get added to numerator. Then a plus b upon b equal to c plus d upon d. So this is okay. A plus b upon b is equal to c plus d upon d. This is the property which is componendo. Okay. So dividendo is similar. For dividendo, we'll be having a minus b upon b equal to c minus d upon d. Same as componendo. In dividendo, we just do subtraction. In componendo, we do addition. And last property is, or you can say operations, that is componendo dividendo. Componendo dividendo. So componendo and dividendo, if applying together on the ratio a by b equal to c by d, then we are having a plus b upon a minus b equal to c plus d upon c minus d. As we are having the same term, that is b by b, d by d, it gets cancelled. What remains? A plus b upon a minus b, c plus d upon c minus d. That's similar. Okay, yeah, so done for today. We'll be continuing with this operations in our next lecture. Thank you, everyone. Hello, ma'am.